Is your pixie cut secretly making you look older even though you cut your hair to look younger? Because in 2026, the wrong pixie isn't just outdated, but it can also harden your face, flatten your hair, and add years you didn't ask for. Today, I'm breaking down the 9 pixie cut mistakes women over 60 should avoid, and more importantly, how to fix them fast so your pixie looks softer, fuller, and modern. Let's get into the first mistake on our list, something that has something to do with the crowns. This is hands down the most common pixie mistake I see on women over 50. Cutting the top ultra short sounds practical, especially if you want less styling time, but visually it works against you. When the crown is too short, the head looks flatter and heavier through the lower face. Everything gets pulled downward, and suddenly jowls look more pronounced and the face loses softness. As we get older, we naturally lose volume at the crown. So when hair is cropped too close up there, it exposes exactly what we are trying to balance. Instead of looking chic, the cut can end up looking harsh and tired. This is especially true for fine or grey hair, which needs lift to reflect light properly. In 2026, modern pixie cuts are all about gentle height and movement on top. You do not need a lot of length. Even an extra ½ inch can make a noticeable difference. That little bit of length allows the hair to be styled upward or slightly forward, which instantly lifts the face and gives a more youthful shape overall. It also gives you flexibility. You can wear it textured one day and smoother the next without feeling stuck. Now that we have the top sorted out, let us move down to the sides, because this is where another aging mistake often shows up. Very tight, buzzed, or razor-sharp sides had their moment, but on women over 50, they often do more harm than good. When the sides are taken down too close, they strip away softness and expose every hollow around the temples and cheek area. Instead of looking edgy or modern, the cut can end up emphasizing bone loss and facial angles in a way that feels severe. As we age, the face naturally loses padding in certain areas, especially around the temples. Super short sides draw attention straight to those changes. That is why these styles tend to look much harsher on mature faces than they do on younger ones. This is not about avoiding short hair, it is about how the short hair is shaped. A modern pixie keeps the sides clean but not bare. A little bit of length allows the hair to sit softly against the face, which instantly makes the cut more flattering. The sides should feel structured but still touchable, with enough softness to blend naturally into the top and back. This small adjustment creates balance. The haircut still looks polished and intentional, but it no longer feels rigid or severe. That balance is what keeps a pixie looking current and wearable after 50. Once the sides are softened, the next thing that can make or break a pixie is texture, especially when there is not enough of it. A pixie that sits flat and looks like it was cut straight across can age the face faster than almost anything else. When there is no layering at all, the hair tends to collapse, especially if your hair is fine or naturally straight. Instead of giving structure, the cut hugs the head and makes the hair look thinner than it actually is. This is something many women notice more once their hair turns grey or silver, because lighter hair shows flatness more easily. One-length pixies also create a heavy outline around the head. That heaviness pulls attention downward and can make the face look longer or more tired. It is not that short hair is the problem, it is the lack of movement and shape within the cut. In 2026, pixie cuts will be layered with intention. That does not mean choppy or messy. It means soft internal layers that lift the hair from the scalp and allow it to move naturally. These layers create volume without adding frizz and keep the silhouette light and airy rather than dense and weighed down. When done correctly, layering makes styling easier, not harder. The hair falls into place on its own and looks fuller even on days when you do very little to it. That is exactly what most women over 50 want from a pixie. And since the cut itself has the right layers, the next issue often comes down to how the hair is styled day to day. and that is where many pixies start to lose their freshness. A slicked down pixie might feel polished, but on women over 50, it often has the opposite effect. When the hair is combed flat and smoothed into place, it clings to the scalp and draws attention to thinning areas. It can also highlight fine lines around the forehead and temples, making the overall look feel harder than intended. This type of styling was popular years ago when ultra-sleek hair was seen as sophisticated. Today, it tends to read stiff and dated, especially with fine or grey hair. The shine can even work against you by reflecting light off the scalp instead of the hair itself. Modern pixies look much better with soft lift and light texture. The goal is not messy hair. It is movement and separation. A little air at the roots and gentle piecey texture throughout the top helps the hair look fuller and healthier. This kind of finish makes the cut feel relaxed, modern, and more flattering to mature features. Even small styling changes can make a big difference. Using less product, switching to something lightweight, or styling with your fingers instead of a comb can instantly soften the look. When styling is addressed, the next mistake is more subtle and often overlooked, but it plays a huge role in whether a pixie looks current or aging. One of the biggest mistakes women over 50 make is keeping the exact same pixie shape they have worn for decades. Over time, the face naturally changes. Bone structure softens, cheeks lose fullness, and volume shifts downward. A pixie that once looked sharp and flattering can suddenly feel off, even if nothing else has changed. This is not about your face changing for the worse, it is simply different. Haircuts need to evolve with it. When a pixie is cut using old proportions, it can sit too flat in the wrong places or expose areas that used to have more fullness. That is often why a haircut can feel aging without being obviously bad. Pixie cuts are shaped to support the face as it is now. The focus is on lifting the cheekbone area, opening up the eye area, and creating balance across the face. Small changes in length or direction can completely shift how the haircut frames your features. A thoughtful pixie works with your current face shape instead of fighting it. When the cut is adjusted correctly, it looks natural and effortless, not forced or outdated. And once the overall shape is right, the next thing that makes a huge difference is how the face itself is framed by the hair. A pixie that has nothing happening around the face can feel a little too exposed, especially after 50. When the forehead is completely bare and the temples are cut sharply, the focus shifts straight to lines and texture in the skin. Instead of highlighting your eyes or cheekbones, the haircut ends up spotlighting areas most women would rather soften. This is where small face framing pieces make a big difference. Soft bangs, a side-swept fringe, or light wispy sections around the eyes help balance the face without covering it up. These pieces break up hard lines and add movement, which makes the entire haircut feel more forgiving and youthful. Fringe does not have to mean heavy bangs. In fact, lighter is better at this stage. A few well-placed strands can soften the forehead, lift the eye area, and make the pixie feel more modern. It also gives you more styling flexibility, especially on days when your hair does not want to cooperate. When the front of the haircut is softened, there is another detail many women overlook. It is subtle, but it plays a powerful role in how modern or outdated a pixie looks. When there is too much weight in the back of a pixie, the entire haircut starts to feel dated. A thick, blocky nape pulls the shape downward and creates that boxy outline that instantly ages the look. Instead of feeling light and intentional, the cut can look bulky and stiff from the side and back. This is especially noticeable on women over 50 because extra weight in the back emphasizes the neck and jaw area in an unflattering way. It can make the head look wider and shorter, which throws off the balance of the whole style. The solution is not shaving the back or cutting it too short. A modern pixie has a clean but tapered nape that follows the natural shape of the neck. This tapering removes heaviness while still keeping the cut soft and wearable. When the back is lighter, the top and sides automatically look more lifted. This one adjustment alone can make a pixie look years newer and far more polished. Once the shape is corrected, the next mistake shows up in how grey hair behaves within the cut, and it is something many women struggle with. Many women over 50 make the mistake of skipping texture products, especially on a short pixie. Grey and white hair reflects light in a unique way, and without the right product, it can look flat, thin, or even see-through. That flatness takes away the shape of the cut and makes a pixie appear lifeless instead of lively. Fine or aging hair naturally loses some of its body, so relying only on a cut without styling products often leaves the hair looking heavy or limp. Modern pixies in 2026 rely on lightweight products that create soft volume and gentle separation. You do not need anything heavy or sticky. A small amount of mousse, texturizing cream, or a lightweight styling powder can make all the difference. These products help hair hold shape without looking stiff or crunchy, and they highlight the layers and movement built into the cut. Now that we have texture covered, the next mistake is more about the mindset many women carry when it comes to short hair, and it has the biggest impact on whether a pixie looks youthful or dated. One of the biggest mistakes I see is women over 50 sticking to a safe pixie because they think anything bold will age them or be too hard to manage. Playing it safe often means choosing a cut that is overly plain, heavy, or flat, which can actually make you look older. Short hair does not have to be boring, harsh, or severe. It can still feel modern, feminine, and flattering when done with intention. The most flattering pixies combine confidence with softness. This means the cut has gentle layers, movement, and texture, while still keeping a clean silhouette. A little edge, like a soft angle, asymmetry, or wispy fringe, adds personality without going overboard. The goal is balance. When a pixie is intentional in shape and movement, it enhances your face, lifts your features, and keeps you looking vibrant and fresh. Choosing a modern pixie also allows you to embrace your grey hair in a way that feels polished and chic. When you let the cut reflect your style rather than just hiding behind safe hair, it can completely change how you feel in front of the mirror. A pixie with confidence works with your face and your lifestyle, not against it. So, which of these mistakes do you think might be hiding in your own pixie? And if you enjoyed this video, you will definitely enjoy watching this next one.